Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I shall be showing you how to align text in Microsoft Word. Okay, so and if you want your text to to be aligned left, center, right, justify, I'm going to show you um, all of that. Okay, so for the align left, okay, it's already aligned left here. Okay, so if you want to do that, select your text first, like this. I've selected this text, okay, and on the home tab, come to the home tab. I'm already on the home tab here. You can click on this one is center, okay. If you click on it, it's move the content to the center. Then if you click on this one, it's move it to the you know uh, right align, okay. Then if you click here, it's bringing back this align left, okay. So and that is it. So let me just for this center one, let me highlight it and click on center, okay. Then for this align right, let me highlight it and click on this option, okay. Good. Now for this justify, um, this justify is justify spread your text evenly across the page. It is great for formal documents, okay. So you can also use shortcuts like Control L, Control E, Control R, Control G. So if you don't want to go to the Home tab to select control alignment before to select maybe you want to align the text to right or center. If you don't want to go to the Home tab to do all of that, you can easily use the shortcut. So for example, I'm going to highlight this text and click on Control E. See, that's it. I'm going to highlight this and click on Control R. You see that? So it is very easy. Then for this one, let's say I want to align this particular text. For example, I will just come to the Home tab. Click the Home tab. Then you come here. This one is Justify. You click it. So let's assume the whole thing is kind of interwoven. Let me just try to type some things. I'll show you. Let's say I want to make it justifiable. Okay. Let me just type more. Let me just copy this. Copy. Then now let's say okay, it is justified. Now let me put it left. Um, align left. I've aligned it left. So as it is now, it is it is not spread evenly across the document, right? This particular one is not spread evenly across the page. So to do that, I will just highlight it and click on justify. You see, it is now evenly spread across the page. Okay. If I click on center, you see center align. You see what happened there. Then I can just click on Ctrl J to use the shortcut key. I just say Ctrl J and it will be justified. So that is how to align text in Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.